I put those on when you really love me, but those things were really far away. Y yo te amo, pero no respondes. Until now you don't care, and I still wonder.
It's always to me very important. Okay, I usually at this time I also put SPF 30, but since I'm gonna use the foundation that already has SPF, we don't have to worry about it. So okay guys, so after I do my skin and everything like that, I am going to now apply. So before like I do my brows, I like to apply my primer just so I can kind of, like, I don't know, I just want it to sit and really kind of like really work itself inside the skin before I start applying the makeup. My Too Faced Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer. I love this primer so much. It smells so amazing. This makes the skin look so glow. Even the packaging, guys, is so amazing. A little bit. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. After I do my primer, I'm basically gonna leave that sitting there, and I'm gonna go move into my brows. I don't want it to take forever, guys, because it's my everyday makeup look. But I feel like some people do like when people do their brows on camera. Sometimes I feel like, you know, sometimes it's like whatever. Brow Ultra Slim, which you guys know that I love, is my holy grail. It's also my little dupe for my ColourPop. Can't go wrong with this one. I'm just gonna get my little mirror here, and let's begin. On my regular days, like that I don't really wear everyday makeup, like I try to make my brows look as natural as possible. Very light, very like, you know. Use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. You guys know, look, I have to buy another one because this one is, I have it in Fair Warm, and the other one that I have in is in Light Peach, which I like both. I kind of go alternate between both of them, but this one I like to kind of prep the lids. And since my brows are not that dark today, I'm not gonna fix them or anything. I'm just gonna go straight into the eyes. Brush, my e.l.f. concealer brush, which I really love, Flawless Concealer Brush, and I'm just going to really buff that in here. I love this brush, guys. It's like one of my holy grail brushes to apply my concealer as a primer and my lid and all that good stuff. So yeah. And now that is set, holy grail air spun, just to set those lids. Just a little bit. And so then I'm going to grab, sometimes I legit use like my bronzer in like a little highlight for a pop of color. So I'm using my Take Home the Bronze just to kind of add some definition to the crease really quickly. Right here. This is when I just don't feel like really going crazy with colors or anything like that. I don't have to go so hard into that, you know. Like that, guys. And then I will go and grab a highlighter. So today I'm gonna use my Hello blush highlighter, which I really love. I'm just gonna grab this one right here. It's like a little champagne with a little brush, and I'm just gonna legit go right here. And I don't bring it all the way here, so I just keep it right here, like a quarter of the eye, you call it. Right there. The little brow bone. Mascara, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara, which I love this one too. There we go. Off because it's, I feel like it's pulling my hair. Lashes are on. I don't want it to take forever. So yeah, I love these lashes. See how it kind of makes the look put together? Okay, now let's go to the face. Before the face, I then go to my face for a little bit. like that hydration. Going with my Dream Urban Coverage Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen, and it has SPF 50. I really love this foundation, and I literally just put a little bit. Just like that. Real Technique brush. I really love this brush. Like, out of all the brushes, I think this is my favorite one for like foundation brush. Like, it makes everything look so nice, and it just blends nicely. I like this foundation because it's like a little, gives me like a little dewy kind of look. Face just looks nice, even though I don't have like dramatic eyelashes, but these are pretty because they're like simple, but they're nice. It brings a look together. Like, I don't know, I just really like it a lot. See that I'm gonna mix the peach one and the fair one together, the elf one. This one's more like peachy, so it's like, you know, doing it like this because it kind of gives me like an illusion of a lift. Then I'm gonna go in with my elf brush and I'm going to blend all of it. And when I blend it in, I kind of like just bounce the brush up and down. That's all I do. And I kind of bring it up because you see how I told you, like right here, it just gives me that lift and I really like it. And bring it down, up, down, and up. And I'm gonna use my hair spun and put a little bit here. Then I'm gonna go back to the brush. Really make sure that's blended in. And then I'm gonna go in. And then I'm just gonna set wherever I put the concealer at. My bronzer, which you guys all know, Take Home the Bronzer is my favorite bronzer of all time, guys. It's just amazing. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna start contouring. Don't forget like your jawline, like this right here. Get rid of this. Get rid of this double chin I got here. And then my Tarte in Quirky, which is a little bit more like a little, looks more for like fall. Then I'm going to grab a brush, smile, and put in the apples of my cheeks. At this point, I'm going to spray my face. And then I'm gonna add my highlight. The highlight I'm gonna use, guys, I already know I'm gonna stick to the one that I used on my lids, which is the Hello Halo. And I'm just going to mix both of them together. And I'm just going to right here. You want everything to look cohesive and together. Jumbo pencil in milk. I like this because it makes my eyes more open and wider. And liner from Nicole Miller, New York, but it doesn't have a name, like specific name for the shade. So Red and Wall made from Mauve, and I think this one's perfect. So let's do this one. Yes, this is the final look, my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy today's look. I like the way it makes my skin look nice and just fresh but I don't have so much makeup on, and I really love it so much. So this is my go-to everyday makeup that I use every single day when I'm not filming for you guys, or it's not a night out or anything like that. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my socials. Don't forget, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell next to it so you do not miss no future uploads or videos, and become part of the butterfly family. Come on, guys. Subscribe. And like I always say, God bless you.